Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will create a more everyday glam makeup look. As you can see right now I have nothing on my face, but I've already primed it. I've used the primer by Estee Lauder, the smoother, and I've applied some eye cream under my eyes. And now for foundation I'll use this one by Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade One Fair, and with these Real Techniques brush I'll blend that into the skin. It's a nice foundation, especially for those who like, to have a more natural makeup look on. It's not on the heavy coverage side foundation, so I found it to be perfect, maybe for a daytime look. But it is buildable, so that means if you apply it in layers then you can achieve more coverage. Now for concealer I'll use this one by Estee Lauder, and it's in the shade 1C, and with a damp beauty blender I'll blend that into the skin. Now to set everything I'll use this powder by Estee Lauder, and I have this one in the shade 02 light to medium, and to apply it I use this brush by BH Cosmetics number 3. Now to contour and highlight my face I'll use this contour and highlight palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and to contour I'll use this brush by Real Techniques. I'll apply first here on the hollows of my cheek, as well here around my forehead. Now with a smaller brush, this one by Jeffree Star, the JS3, I'll take the highlighter. I'll apply here on the highest point of my cheeks. Taking a smaller brush, I'll go again with the darkest shade to kind of contour my nose. And taking again the Jeffree Star brush, I'll take the highlighter and apply it here down my nose and on the Cupid's bow. Now to shape my brows, I'll use spoolie first, and then I'll take this brow pencil by The Body Shop, and I'll use first thing the pencil to, kind of fill in the gaps. And now I'll use this brow gel to set everything together. And just to take any excess off, I'll use again the spoolie and brush them. And taking again the highlighter, I just highlight here above my brow. It gives you like this natural light. And for blush I'll use this one by Estee Lauder, and it's in the shade 310, the Peach Passion, and I'll apply it with this brush by Jeffree Star, the GS1. Now moving on to the eyes, I'll use this palette by Zoeva, it's the Caramel Melange. And with a fluffier brush I'll take this shade from here and I'll apply it on my crease and just slightly above. Now with a pointy brush I'll take this shade from here, it's the Start Soft, and I'll apply it onto my crease. and the shade Alchemy I'll apply all over my lid. Now taking a smaller brush, I'll apply the same shade on my lower lash line. Now very quick, I'll just curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'll use this one by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. And now to finish off this look, I'll use this lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. And this is the final result. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this makeup look. It's a natural makeup, well, maybe not quite natural. I mean, I do have some foundation and a lot of things on my face, but you know, it doesn't look like you have too much makeup on. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyways, if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me, and as always, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.